Hey guys, welcome back. This delicious healthy granola is what we have at home for our breakfast. We keep adding different things to change the flavor. Sometimes it is orange zest and sometimes just nuts and coconut flakes. I also like to add dry fruit as they bring in some extra sweetness, chewy texture and an irresistible fruity flavor. This is also vegan as I've used olive oil instead of butter and naturally sweetened it with honey. So let's get cooking. We start off by adding the rolled oats into a bowl. Take steel cut rolled oats, add lots and lots of dried fruits. Also in that then goes in sesame seeds. Sesame seeds, dry fruits really works extremely well with granola, full of protein. And for spicing it up, I'm using cinnamon powder. Cinnamon powder makes it very aromatic, gives a lovely aroma and also a very nice flavor to the granola. Mix all the nuts and the seeds along with the steel cut oats, and do not forget to add salt. Salt is what brings out the flavors, and that is what it gets the flavors to sing together. It's very important to add salt, but a tiny quantity. I like to use the fine salt. You can use kosher salt or any other salt. And this is a vegan granola, so I'm going to use olive oil, but you can also use coconut oil. Even that works extremely well. Honey, again, natural sweetness. I try and avoid using white sugar, so honey could be used, or you could also use maple syrup. It works very well. And also to enhance the flavor, some vanilla extract. Just a teaspoon is more than enough. Now it is very important that you actually mix all of this together. So each grain of the oats is mixed together with the spice powder, which is cinnamon, and with the honey and the oil. It needs to coat it quite well. So this would take a little time. So just ensure that you mix all of this together. I have used pumpkin seeds, I have used melon seeds, I have used pistachio, I have used almonds, I have used walnuts. Now you can use any nuts which you like. You can use pecan nuts. You can even add dried berries in it. Even that works perfectly well. It gives a very nice chewy flavor to the granola. Transfer the granola into a roasting tray lined with a grease-proof paper. Now there's a tip here. If you want to have a chunky granola like me, I like to have it quite chunky. All you do is you pack your granola onto the roasting tray quite tightly and firmly. If you like a loose granola and quite open, then you don't need to crush it down or don't need to press it down. If you press all the thing together onto the tray, it firms up. So it's a very tight pack. So if you want a chunky granola, keep a tight pack. If you want a light granola, just sprinkle it very evenly into a large tray. This goes into a preheated oven and cooks for approximately 15 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade or 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and what you get is a golden colored granola. Now this is not fully cooked, this will cook a little more, and as you can see, it is still quite chunky and large. I then like to put in that roasted, or rather coconut flakes, to roast in the oven. Coconut, again, full of energy, gives a very nice flavor. If I add it earlier with the granola, it will tend to get over roasted. So after 15 minutes of cooking, add in the coconut flakes, toss it together very gently so it just mixes together. Break your granola into large chunks, and we are now set to go back in the same preheated oven for 7 to 8 minutes. And there you have, the granola is almost ready. Just a few things to go at the very last. Firstly, I want to gently break it down and mix up, and you can see the chunks. They're nice and chunky, large, and just the way I like it. What I love to add now is vegan cocoa chips or cocoa nibs. These are 100% cacao, but these are vegan, and that's what important. This is a vegan granola, so everything has to be dairy free in this. And because it is slightly cooled down, I can then add the chocolate nibs and then mix it together. So the chocolate nibs still hold shape. Some of it will melt, which is perfectly fine, but that is the beauty of the dish. It gives a very nice flavor. So here you have our granola, which is steel cut or rolled oats with lots of dry fruits, sesame seed, a tiny bit of salt, cinnamon powder, and once we cook it through, we then add it halfway through, we add the coconut flakes, and after that is done, then goes in our 100% vegan chocolate nibs. Healthy, delicious, full of energy, a great way to start your meal or even as a snack around the whole day. I just love granola and this is my healthy version. Make sure you do try it.